Jianchang City in China experienced devastating flash floods that wreaked havoc on the region. The torrential rains that led to these floods were unprecedented, causing rivers to overflow and streets to become impassable. The sheer volume of water overwhelmed the city's drainage systems, leading to widespread flooding in both urban and rural areas. This natural disaster has left a significant mark on the city, both in terms of human suffering and economic loss. The flash floods in Jianchang City resulted in the tragic loss of many lives. Initial reports indicate that at least 20 people have been confirmed dead, with several others still missing. In addition to the human toll, the economic impact of the flash floods has been substantial. Thousands of homes have been damaged or completely destroyed, leaving many families homeless. The destruction of infrastructure, including roads, bridges, and public buildings, has further compounded the challenges faced by the city. The local government has estimated that the direct economic losses from the floods could reach billions of yuan. As of 19 o'clock Tuesday, Huludao City had recorded an average daily rainfall of 151.8 mm. The most intense precipitation occurred in the city's Jianchang County and its surrounding areas, with maximum rainfall reaching 534.7 mm, exceeding the historical records for the region. On Monday, China's State Flood Control and Drought Relief Headquarters activated a level IV emergency response for flood control in Liaoning and dispatched a team to the province on Tuesday to guide rescue efforts following torrential rains, a total of 498 fire and rescue personnel.
你这是。
In response to the command of the Ministry of Emergency Management, 150 people from China Aneng Construction Group of the Tangshan Rescue Base, along with 50 large pieces of equipment, have been dispatched to Jianchang for flood relief work. Liu Yanling, a doctor at Jiangnan University affiliated hospital in Chenzhou, Hunan, has been helping treat residents of Jimu village in Zixing since August 10th. Meanwhile, in Liaoning province, more than 300 people have been trapped in Jianchang County after torrential rain battered the region from Sunday to Tuesday, Xinhua news agency reported. Roads and communication to the county have been cut due to the heavy rain, and it is only accessible via satellite phone, the report said. More than 50 firefighters in the county have started rescue work, and firefighters in the city of Huludao, which administers the county, have rushed to the scene, it said.
你看一下，可是就是火车站的地铁口了，火车站地铁口可是。
长沙涨大雪了，看呐，家里面都进水了。
Frequent and severe rainstorms have wreaked havoc on southern and northern China, and as the flood season continues, the situation remains complicated, the Ministry of Water Resources said. Experts are advocating for the implementation of more robust infrastructure, including improved drainage systems and flood barriers, to better protect the city from future flooding events. The Chinese government has pledged significant support to Jianchang City in the wake of the flash floods. Emergency funds have been allocated to assist with rescue operations and provide immediate relief to affected residents.